You guys were asking where the S55 and the rest of the fleet were. Well, the S55 is right here.
Oh, sorry, I tripped.
Put a big dent in our car. Look at that.
Oh,
But it pops back out.
It does.
Hold my beer.
Hold your beer.
Hold your Red Bull.
You got
Why is he so angry?
You guys realize I was just joking about the roof, right? Like we're not.
It'll buff out.
Oh!
Yo, we could have solved this.
What are you doing? Oh! Did you know that we apparently have the Tesla glass in
It's
here?
stronger than the Tesla.
Angry. Fire! Fire! Go! Alex! Jeez!
Now that we've tested all the safety measures, let's actually cut the roof off this. I think if you went just a little bit lower. I think if you went. Okay.
Open the level till I reach the skyscraper. I'm so high right now. The smell of success got me saline right now. Tracks upon tracks, I got them stacked up now. I'm trying to tell you.
You need some muscle. Hold on, we need to get Dave some muscles. Dave, Alex! 115 pounds.
190 pounds. You know who's a specialist. They do that.
I'm 100 and I'm getting it. Come along, luxury.
Officer, that's not an issue. No.
You know I'm on my yes, I'm on my
So what's the plan anyway? What are we doing here?
We're gonna put the car back together.
That's a bad idea.
This is a bad idea. Let's put the car back together.
Are you kidding me? Recycle. Dave. Yeah. Where's your phone?
Oh! Dude. Holy. Holy.
No, it can't go down. It has to go up.
Was it gravity or something?
Oh, baby. Oh!
Hold on, lift it.
Oh! That's the airbag.
Hold on.
That's the airbag. That's the airbag right there. Don't scratch the seats.
Wait, what are we doing with this?
Hold on. We cut the sunroof out? Hell yeah.
This is now an S55 Superleggera.
We're good.
Shut.
Yeah! We probably didn't ever really need to smash the glass.
I seen a lot of
rappers that come and go like Frodo when they sipping on rain. And then I take a step back and I see you looking like a dodo.
Oh!
And I see the same thing for the
Someone's
same.
a bad. Somebody's a bad. Hey, someone's a bad.
Oh, well, now we're not getting back in there.
There's a key. There's a key access.
Where's the key? In the trunk.
You're with me.
No, in the trunk.
You got it! You got it! Yeah!
I am a man and I pull a glass really hard.
These were terrible.
Scratching the paint.
Oh, hey. Cybertruck glass.
My stuff slings to the right.
Alright.
Jesus Christ.
Once we plug the battery in, every airbag's gonna go off. That was your wiring harness.
I ain't got look at me.
But your car might not start now.
Hey, listen up here, you. Back away from the car. I'm gonna plug in the battery right now. The airbags might deploy. Also, get a fire extinguisher in case there's a fire in this garage.
You know what's funny? In theory, it always seems like a better idea at the beginning of the night. But I legitimately regret this.
It was actually a perfectly
It
good
was
car.
actually a perfectly good car before you decided to do this.
It was nice.
FYI, hey guys, if you want anybody to blame in the comments, it was Dave.
It was 100% Dave.
This was my idea. I had a few Red Bulls. I didn't sleep for 2 days. You guys, you want some merch? You wanna look good? You wanna feel good?
Black Friday.
What's up, TDE fam?
This Black Friday, yes, Black Friday.
The biggest sale of the year.
Everything is on sale, up to 80% off. Get a signed old school 458 poster, 70% off.
Signed by Damon Fryer himself.
Just $9, regular $30. There's only 500 available.
The all black TDE hat.
Black Friday exclusive, 20% off. Now just $36. Worldwide free shipping.
The biggest sale of the year.
Nothing there.
You're gonna get this car's gonna be burnt to the ground tomorrow. It's gonna be the funniest thing.
What?
Why are we doing this right now?
Because it catches fire. Like that.
He
He just glued it back to
glued it to the ground. You realize this is an AMG car, okay? I have a bit of respect for you guys.
I'm back. He's a professional. Professional moron. Airbag light? No.
What is wrong? There's like a check engine light now. Airbag light, mobile support SOS function light. Other than that, we're
Let's clean it up. Take for a cruise.
good for drive. We're dead.
He's dangerous. I don't want to be in this thing yet.
How's it dangerous? Name one aspect that's dangerous about it.
I'm gonna go with Choi, and the Tesla will follow you.
For the 530, did it for the West Coast. Did it better than most. Did it with a little soul. Couldn't do it alone, so I did it for the squad. Now we doing the toe. You know I did it for Detroit.
Dave, you got goggles on. Dude, that's amazing.
I love it, bro. Look at all the LA car.
Dude, it's so funny because they never made a convertible in that body style.
You're welcome, Mercedes. You're welcome.
We got straight pipe it, bro. Next stop, straight pipe.
Y'all ain't ready. Blaze up the whole damn city. Whoa, 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 nah.
Oh my gosh, you driving down the road like that with these gloves on is priceless. Let's get some change. We gotta clean out all of the glass and metal. Yeah, you blew actually a bunch of it out. Hold on, how many quarts did you get? Did you get all 20?
$20 worth.
No.
Yeah, that's what you gave me, sugar daddy.
Let's see. Just handfuls.
They're dollars.
Oh, they're dollars. There's a lot of metal savings.
Hours on my job, mate.
You savage. What up, Yari? Yep. Stop. Let's do this. Straight pipe.
Oh, I'm loving my pants.
Why are we cutting up what would seem to be a perfectly good car? We bought this car with this in mind. This was always going to be some sort of a crazy hack job build project. Just like we hacked up a 2020 Supra. Technically we didn't do it, but you do have to cut that car up. You cut the fenders, there's no going back.
We are gonna have a couple of shops that we know help us with this project and clean all this up and have this all covered and have this cut off, and we're gonna have a proper safety roll cage installed, and we're gonna put in harnesses, and we're also gonna put in a handbrake and a bunch of crazy stuff. So this is ultimately going to become a straight piped hand-built AMG V8 supercharged. We will find an upgraded pulley. We will get our
Boys at VF Engineering or Gintani, one of them. We get one of them to tune it, give it more power, and then send it. We also got to wrap it. What color, you guys, what color? Comment below for fun, but don't leave the video. What color should we do?
Okay, guys.
We're gonna get the straight piping underway.
Dude, this does not look safe. Like, look at the angle that this is on.
Four nuts and bolts, which means the exhaust is unbolted, and Troy's gonna separate it from the catalyst converter system. That is out. My goodness. Let's hear this bad boy. Oh.
Sounds like a G-Wagon! Dude, that thing sounds amazing. Okay, let's go rip it. I want to hear it.
Yeah, let's go.
We just added the final little touch for now until it's all custom. It looks mint.
That looks good.
Of course it does. Did you have doubts?
It was my idea.
Ready?
Sorry, what do you think? You happy? I'm very happy. What's up, Hollywood? Yo! Hey, this roof!
I'm gonna give a shout out.
Are you verified? Pathetic.
My friend Damon is though, right there. He has a Rolex on his wrist.
I'm on TikTok.
Show him the Rolex, you guys.
I do dance moves
Show him the
now.
Rolex.
I love how you guys are wearing Rolexes while you just hack the roof off an S55.
Hold on.
You just said that was your friend.